guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and latest styling and designing ideas, crochet and amigurumi pattern styles and different beautiful sweets and like cupcakes, mini cakes, decoration and beautiful ideas like brownie looks and different styling and made embroidery style as a gifting style and beautiful looks like different styling crochet pattern and different decoration ideas, strawberry and baddies presentation look styling, different and beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. Please, so guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end.